was acid and base.
I'll miss you.
So
I'll miss you too.
is that are you kissing each other goodbye? Is this the end?
It's the end.
They'll
It's
give
the
you
end of the
cheers.
festival. There'll be a lot of tears.
Oh, I
I'm
just
so sad the festival is ending.
It's kind of got a lot of that.
Yeah, let's give it a minute.
you may not make it. I'm just
Let's
warning
all,
you.
let's all say what we most wish to remember about this moment.
Okay.
Having it not hurt a whole lot. That's what I really want to remember.
Okay.
I want to remember having it hurt as much as possible.
That'll do it. That'll do it. That's
I just want to find out if the purple berries taste like burning.
okay.
Ready? Kampai!
Ooh, that's delicious.
Wow, that really is good.
It's sitting right on
Really?
the back though.
Really?
That's good.
I did a rinse with it, and it's hurting,
Yeah.
but not a lot. Yeah, no, there it goes.
It's a little warm. It's like, that's nice.
I squished it.
I swished. I wanted the torture.
I just went straight through it. But I'm going to feel it back here.
Yeah, you are.
I actually have got a piece.
There it is right there. I got it. I got it on my tongue right now.
It looks like it's warm. It's cozy.
It is very nice. I like it. We can bottle this. Sam, you're a genius. We're marketing your film.
This is
The ghost pepper
It was
vodka
her.
of Jefferson.
it was
Mitch for the dumbest frat boys. This is your initiation challenge.
There it goes. I'm getting more
Stand up,
heat.
Chris. Just spread it out.
yes. What? You're okay?
It does. It builds on itself. It's as if it were a ziggurat going towards heaven.
It's just, it's a little warm.
You know, that's what cigarettes are